Yo RVers, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Are you looking for an out-of-this-world adventure? I've got one for you. Behind me is our little space rocket travel trailer, Ozark 13RD. Let's get into it. All right, this little guy has an awesome little footprint, and more importantly, maybe that tow range that you need for, behind your tow vehicle. Coming in at 16 feet long, only 2,500 pounds dry weight, you can still get 1,300 pounds in this travel trailer. That's a lot of cargo capacity. We have a nice little awning on the door side, and it's even equipped, if you're worried about towing in general, it's pre-prepped for a backup camera as well as an exterior ladder just to get up on your roof for some of those maintenance items. Launching inside this little footprint of a travel trailer is dynamite for as small as it is. We still have everything that we're gonna need. Getting going in the kitchen, you're gonna have a lot of counter space, a lot of cooking, a lot of washing, everything that you're gonna be able to do. We have a sink with a pull-out faucet head that we can definitely be able to conveniently wash up our big pots and pans. You have a 2-burner propane stovetop that you can do some cooking inside, but a great bonus is we have a propane hookup outside. If you're like me, love cooking outside, so that's probably where I'm gonna do all that. Plenty of storage for all those kitchen items and pantry, whatever you want to double down as. We have overhead cabinets up top that are big, wide, deep, as well as a lot of space underneath the kitchen sink. Off to the side here, to the bathroom, we have, again, a lot of shelving here that we can maybe utilize as storage for our pantry items, for our dry goods, as well as a nice refrigerator to give us ample space to chill down some of those favorite foods that need to be cold. More importantly, chill down those beverages. And this is where you sit, a cute little dinette for two that we could have our morning coffee, check out what's going on the campground site, and then a little bit of storage above just to give us, again, some maybe boxed items that we can stow away on our travels. And this is where you do your business. I've got plenty of leg room to make sure that goes down without a hitch. I have a nice big shower, although I'm 6'1", so I'm a little crunched up a little bit, but I have plenty of elbow room here to shower up, especially in a nice hot shower that's provided by an instant water heater. And with all that steam I'm going to be creating, I've got a nice vent that I can get all that circulated out. In the nose of this little rocket ship of a travel trailer, there's a lot going on. We have tons of storage. You can see a bunch of overhead storage that we could throw in book bags and all kinds of essentials. Underneath the bed, tons of storage there as well. Not only from the inside, right here at the floor, but if you lift the bed up, you'll have even more capacity to throw a bunch of stuff in there. And at the foot of the bed, there's even a cute little quaint flip-up counter space that you have some secret storage, if you will. And when you're done camping, you're ready to hit that head to the pillow, you're going to have a stellar night's sleep with this high-density foam mattress. For those entertainment junkies that want to make sure they catch that rocket launch, we even have a TV set up at the foot of the bed. Of course, this is just an example, but you'll be able to, as well, have a mounting bracket that you could potentially put on the outside, and that way you have a inside-outside TV. For those that like a really chill camper, or on the flip side, like it hot as beep, we have an air conditioner that has also a heat pump to it that you'll be able to get extreme amount of temperatures, whether hot or cold, in this little footprint. So what did you think of that tiny little travel trailer? I think it was amazing for a 13-foot floor plan. Again, brand new, all new for 2026. Behind me, the Ozark 13RD. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Love to hear your first impressions. Throw a comment in there. More importantly, there's probably some things that you need some answers, and I'll be glad to get them to you. And for everybody, show us some love. Keep this channel going. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.